I know most people at one time in their life have had bad experiences, and as a result, it may have negative impact on on them as an individual, on their personal growth, and on their success. And this may tend to make them to lose hope and give up in life. So today, I'm here to give you the tips on how to come back from adversity. Number one, write down your reason why. If you have a strong reason why you need to exist, then the how won't be a problem. For example, if you have a business, write down the reason why you need to earn profit or why you need to earn money from your business. Who are you doing it for? Then, if you have a strong reason, then how you're going to do it won't be a problem, because you define or you just find a way on how to do it. You do something. But if you don't have a strong reason why you're doing something, then how doing it will be a problem, because you not even be willing to put more effort to doing something. But if you have a strong reason why you need to succeed, a strong reason why you need to work on something, a strong reason why you need to continue fighting for something, then how you're going to fight for something won't be a problem. Then number two, know that life is too short. Human experience is once and for all. So do what you love doing. Always be happy and make sure that you engage in activity that makes you happy, because we live in our body once and for all. So if you stay in your life, if you exist merely being or when you're frown or unhappy, then most of your life won't be a success. But if you know that we only live our experience once in a life, then you will always strive to be happy in whatever thing that you're doing. Then number three, consume positive and powerful self-development material. We are the product of what we consume. So if you consume negative things, then our minds will also become negative. If you consume positive things, then our mind will also become positive and will experience personal growth. Then number four, move. Moving will trigger happy hormones in our body, or it will trigger happy chemicals in our mind. Consider going to the gym, running, and make sure that you do it daily. And this will cut off depression and feeling down. If we become active, it will make our body to produce happy hormones. And if we have happy hormones, it definitely will be happy and will be motivated to work more on ourselves. But when we are depressed, when we are just constant there, then our body may not produce happy hormones, and this may make us to feel depressed and don't do anything or do anything to improve ourselves. So consider moving. Don't be just inactive. So move out, go interact with friends, do something that will make you to be active, will make your body to be active, and do something productive. But when you just sit and relax, this will make you to be depressed, because you may be, an idle mind, they say an idle mind is a devil's workshop. So if you are just inactive or seated, where you'll tend to remember more of the thing that happened to you, the negative that happens to you. But when you decide to be active, go to the gym, you run, do some jogging, then you'll be happy and forget about the thing that made you to go back or to backslide. Then number five, know where you want to go. You can use goals to help you have a clear path in life. Consider having a vision board and table down or write down what you need to achieve by the end of the year, or in 6 months, or in 1 year. This will make you to identify ways on how you're going to achieve your goals. If you have a goal, it will help you to stay focused and be determined to achieve what you want to achieve. But if you don't have a goal, or if you don't have a plan on what you're going to do, then it will be difficult for you to achieve something that maybe you are putting in mind that you're going to achieve. But if you have goals, or if you have a written down goals, it will make it easier for you to be focused on what you need to achieve. Then finally, know that the condition or the situation is here now, but it will come to pass. It won't stay for long, or it won't stay forever. Well, if you find this video educative, kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And let's meet on the next video. Bye.